It's windy out, but a man's got to do what a man's got to do as he's got time to do it. You know what I mean? Welcome back to the homestead. Just want to give you a little peek in here. I harvested one of these this morning, and now we got this one here. There's one right down here on the ground. I'm going to leave him here for a while well, as long as I can, and see what the seeds develop like. And then I've got a small one right here. And this is over where those radish pods are, and there's another one starting in here. And as I was on my walkabout this morning, it's butternut squash. And another one there. I don't know if they've got time to get up and get ripe or not, but there's squash there. What the plan is to do right now, this is the Norland red potatoes, and as you can see, the potato plants are all dead. I'm going to go and pick up all this vegetation that's here now, and then I'll come back through and dig out all the potatoes. Hopefully the wind don't blow you over. The wind did blow you over. I'm going to use these gloves with the claws on them to make it easier to dig by hand. Yeah, I bring you in closer to show you something. As you might remember, I didn't have enough potatoes to finish filling out this bed. So if I dig back here, you see basically nothing. I mean in the way of animals. Now, let's go out here. I'll pull up this stalk. There you got a worm. Another worm. And another one. And another one. And a little baby one. And another big one. That's what this little bit of mulch does. And I didn't put on enough mulch, but it was enough to attract the worms like crazy. Because this is part of the garden where the beds are basically not amended at all, really, I brought this along to help me dig this soil because the claws on the gloves weren't working. So in fact, I have to go back here. I pulled up a couple plants a couple days ago. I got all the potatoes that were there. In this bed, I don't think I'm going to get a great yield. But I'm going to blame it on the fact that it needs quite a bit more mending. There's a lot of worms here. You see, the mulch that I put on the potatoes, that'll be basically stirred into the soil now. Yeah, it looks like it's not going to be that great in this bed. bunch of small ones. Couple of nice ones there. But you see, this is what I mean by you put your little bit of mulch on top, and these guys, they'll come for that, and they'll churn it all through the soil, and they'll actually till your soil for you while you're at it, while they are at it. Oh, there's a nice one. Okay. As we get further out, it's getting better. There we go, that's what I got out of that bed. Not a great lot, but we'll see what happens in the next bed now. Now I'll get a 5-gallon bucket and put them all in and see what I got. Now, 5-gallon bucket full should be approximately 45 pounds. Oh, a little shy of the mark, but not all that far. Remember, I already took up a couple of stalks here in this inside bed, so I should have gotten about 45 to 50 pounds of potatoes if I had gotten a full crop. So that's good. Let's actually weigh it. I'll turn my little black arm all the way up. Move this out. Do it gently so it doesn't bounce. And lay it back down. So we have just over 30 pounds, and you take off the weight of the bucket, you got about 30 pounds of potatoes. I already used 5 of those potatoes. So not really a good harvest, but it is what it is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button for me on the way out, and I will see you in the next one.